Hi, Hannah. How's Daddy's love? How's my baby? Hannah, and she's got an impacted crop, and I don't know what to safely do about it. Hannah, you okay, love? Hi, Teeny. Teeny. Hi, Rachel. Hello, Sophia. Eclecta. Jeannie, where y'all going? Shane. Where's a little bit? Hi, my love. Come here to Daddy, Hannah. Hannah, come over here to Daddy. Hi, Shane. Hannah's sick. Hi, little bit. Come and give Daddy a kiss. Give Daddy some big sugar. Come here. Little bit. Hi, Sophia. How's Daddy's girl? Bulldog's under there. Daddy really can't see too well. Shane, hey, Collector, how you feeling, love? You want to come and sit in Daddy's lap for a minute? Hannah, come here, love.